Welcome to day 20, Stodola Pumpa. Stodola in Czech means barn, and this is a very fast, happy, upbeat song. We're not going to play it too fast. The rhythm is very repetitive with 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And the notes change, but the rhythm stays the same most of the time. I will play the melody first, then the harmony second. Play along with me. I will count 1, 2, and then there'll be 2 counts of silence before we come in. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony! Oompa style. 1, 2. So on the harmony, the second time, you notice there is a B flat. B flat is first vowel, B natural is middle. There's a flat in the key signature, so you're going to use B flat. And you might want to practice those low A's to come out better if they come out a little fuzzy, like happened with me. If this video helped you or you played along with it and you liked it, hit the like or accent button, as the boys say. Have a great day.